Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm in sunny Barcelona today. It's amazing to get some sun, being in the UK for most of the year. I don't think we've had some sun since I was in San Diego back in February. So I'm here in Barcelona with my girlfriend and her daughter. We're just having a little bit of a chill out time before we head to Girona this afternoon. So we're heading over down to Girona for a family holiday with her family. It's her mum's silver wedding anniversary, so they've got a nice villa, and we're going to spend some time chilling out there for a few days, catching some sun, swimming, eating, and having a good time. So it's going to be great. But yesterday we had a really interesting day. We went to a carver vineyard, and it was a region where just outside Barcelona they make a lot of the best cava in the country that's exported all around the world. And it was really interesting to see the process. They're still using the same process that is 150 years old, and their focus is on quality. And that's a really good thing to be doing in your business to, if you can use things that have a story. There was a massive story behind the processes that they have been using in their business, and it made it really, really interesting on the tour to know that the way that they make the cava now is still the same as 150 years ago. They still go through the process. There's not lots of machines involved in that, and that just makes it a lot more desirable for people to buy. When you're buying that kind of product, it really, really makes a difference to a lot of people, the story behind it, because often if you're buying that sort of product, you'll tell people the story about how this is slightly different to a different product and stuff like that. There's also another really interesting story there, which is that one big family basically ruled that area for cava, and they fell out. So they basically split the land in two, and you've got basically one half that is the original family, and the other half that basically formed after the split. So for one part of the family, they've got all the nice old original buildings, but the other people that fell out with the other half of the family had to build all these modern buildings. And the tour, you could see basically you go up a road and you can see the nice old style where they're doing all the old traditional stuff is absolutely packed. The car park doesn't have a space, and the tours are just jam-packed, whereas the modern building, nobody's there. There's nobody going on the tour because the story isn't there, and it just doesn't work. So think about how stories can work in your business. If you start telling your customers stories about what you're doing in your personal life and stuff like that, they get to know you, they will know, like, and trust you that little bit more. So that sort of thing can really, really make a big impact on your business. So I'll do a few videos from time to time. We're just heading back to our hotel now before we get a hire car and head down to Girona. But I'll speak to you guys in the next few days. Cheers.